There is a single three-digit number that determines where you can live, what car you can drive, and even if you can get certain jobs. It's not your bank balance or your IQ. It's your credit score. Most people think a perfect score is reserved for the ultra-wealthy, but it's actually just a game with very specific rules. Today, I'm showing you the 800 Club blueprint to hack your way to perfect credit. Welcome back to Finance Files. We've explored the Wealth Builder blueprint and even mastered short-selling history. But none of those strategies matter if you are being drained by high-interest debt. This is the budgeting and personal finance mastery pillar. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how your score is calculated, the software tools you should use to monitor it, and the credit utilization trick that can jump your score by 50 points in a single month. Section 1. The credit score pie chart, understanding the rules. To win the game, you have to know the rules. Your FICO score is made of 5 distinct pieces. 35% is your payment history. One late payment can haunt you for 7 years. 30% is amounts owed, or your credit utilization. 15% is the length of credit history, which is why you should never close your oldest accounts. The final 20% is split between new credit and credit mix. Understanding this pie chart is the first step toward the 800 Club. You have to stop guessing and start managing these specific categories. Section 2. The credit utilization hack. The fastest way to move your score is by manipulating your credit utilization, the second largest piece of the pie. If you have a $1,000 limit and you spend $900, your utilization is 90%, which screams risk to lenders. To hit the 800s, you need to keep this under 10%. But here's the hack. You don't have to spend less. You can simply call your bank and ask for a credit limit increase. If they raise your limit to $5,000, that same $900 spend now looks like 18% utilization. Your score goes up, and you didn't have to change a single habit. Section 3. Describing financial software, monitoring, and protection. You cannot manage what you don't track. To stay on top of your score, you need the right digital tools. Apps like Credit Karma or Mint provide free weekly updates and show you exactly which factors are hurting your score. More importantly, using the official apps from the three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, allows you to freeze your credit for free. This is the ultimate defense against identity theft. Even if a criminal has your social security number, they can't open an account if your credit is frozen. Section 4. The good debt strategy credit mix. Lenders want to see that you can handle different types of money. This is your credit mix. If you only have credit cards, your score will plateau. Having a mix of revolving credit, like cards, and installment loans, like a car or student loan, shows you are a versatile borrower. If you don't have a diverse mix, you can use a credit builder loan or a secured card to add this variety without taking on high-interest debt. It's about building a resume of reliability that makes banks compete to lend to you at the lowest possible rates. A high credit score is the ultimate freedom chip. It saves you hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest over your lifetime. If you're ready to join the 800 Club, hit that like button and subscribe to Finance Files. We are building the roadmap for your financial mastery. I want to hear from you. What is your current credit score goal? Let's hold each other accountable in the comments below. Don't let your past define your future. Master the numbers, and the numbers will set you free. I'll see you in the next file.